Have you ever wondered if it's possible to build muscle without eating meat? Can you really get strong by just eating plants? If you're curious about how to grow muscles on a plant-based diet, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it all down. I'll show you exactly what you need to eat, how to work out, and why a plant-based diet can still help you get strong and fit. Part 1. Understanding muscle growth. First, let's talk about how muscles grow. When you work out, especially when you lift weights or do resistance exercises, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers. These tears are a good thing. After your workout, your body repairs the muscles, and that's how they grow bigger and stronger. Now here's the big question. Can you do this on a plant-based diet? The answer is yes! But there are some things you need to know. To grow muscle, you need 3 key things. 1. Protein to repair and build muscle. 2. Calories to give you energy. 3. Rest to let your muscles recover and grow. Part 2. Where do you get protein on a plant-based diet? A lot of people think you can only get protein from meat, chicken, or eggs. But did you know that plants also have protein? That's right. You can get all the protein you need from plant foods. Here are some great plant-based sources of protein. Lentils. 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein. Chickpeas. These little beans have about 15 grams of protein per cup. Quinoa. Not only is quinoa a great grain, but it's also packed with 8 grams of protein per cup. Tofu and tempeh. These soy products are amazing for muscle building, with around 10 to 20 grams of protein per serving. Seeds and nuts. Almonds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all great sources of protein and healthy fats. Plant-based protein powders. If you need extra protein, there are many protein powders made from peas, brown rice, or hemp. A 2019 study published in Nutrients magazine found that plant-based proteins can be just as effective as animal proteins for muscle growth if you eat enough and balance them properly. Part 3. How much protein do you need? You might be wondering, how much protein do I need to build muscle? Most experts recommend about 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight if you're trying to build muscle. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you'll need about 105 to 150 grams of protein each day. Now, let's see how you can reach that goal on a plant-based diet. You could have a breakfast with oatmeal and almond butter, a lunch with a lentil salad, and a dinner with tofu stir-fry. Add some snacks like nuts or a protein shake, and you'll easily hit your protein target. Part 4. Getting enough calories. Protein is important, but calories are just as important for building muscle. If you don't eat enough, your body won't have the energy to grow muscle, no matter how much you work out. So, how can you make sure you're eating enough calories on a plant-based diet? Eat nutrient-dense foods. Foods like avocado, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are not only healthy, but also higher in calories. Don't skip meals. Make sure you're eating enough throughout the day. Try to have 3 meals and 2 to 3 snacks if you're trying to gain muscle. Smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to pack in calories. You can add fruits, oats, nut butter, and plant-based protein powder for an easy, high-calorie meal. A 2013 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that consuming more calories than you burn each day helps increase muscle mass. So, if your goal is muscle growth, make sure you're eating enough. Part 5. Balancing your diet. It's not just about protein and calories. You also need to eat a variety of foods to get all the vitamins and minerals your body needs to grow muscle and stay healthy. Here are some key nutrients to keep in mind. Iron. Helps carry oxygen to your muscles. You can get iron from foods like spinach, beans, and fortified cereals. Calcium. Keeps your bones strong, which is important for lifting weights. You can find calcium in leafy greens, fortified plant milks, and tofu. Omega-3. These healthy fats help reduce muscle soreness after workouts. You can get omega-3 from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is important for energy and muscle function. Since it's mostly found in animal products, vegans should take a B12 supplement. Part 6. What about carbs and fats? Carbohydrates and fats are important too. Carbs give you energy for your workouts, and fats support overall health and hormone production. Here's how to include them in your plant-based diet. Carbs. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes are great sources of energy. Fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all good sources of healthy fats that help support muscle growth. Don't be afraid of carbs or fats. Studies show that a balanced diet with enough carbs and fats can improve muscle growth and performance. Part 7. Avoiding common mistakes. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when trying to build muscle on a plant-based diet. 1. Not eating enough calories. Remember, you need extra energy to build muscle. 2. Relying too much on processed foods. It's easy to reach for vegan junk food, but these processed foods don't have the nutrients your muscles need. 3. Skipping meals. You have to eat regularly to keep your body fueled and ready to grow muscle. 4. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is important for your muscles and overall health. Aim to drink 8 to 10 cups of water a day. Part 8. The importance of working out. We've talked a lot about food, but working out is just as important for building muscle. Lifting weights or doing resistance exercises is key. You can start with simple exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. As you get stronger, you can add weights to make it more challenging. Here's a simple weekly workout plan to follow. Day 1, upper body, push-ups, pull-ups, dumbbell presses. Day 2, lower body, squats, lunges, deadlifts. Day 3, rest. Day 4, full body, mix of upper and lower exercises. Day 5, rest or light cardio. Part 9, rest and recovery. Did you know that your muscles grow when you rest? After a workout, your body needs time to repair and build those muscles. That's why getting enough sleep and rest days is so important. Experts recommend getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. If you don't sleep enough, your body won't have the time to recover and grow muscles. You should also have at least 1 or 2 rest days each week where you don't do any intense exercise. On these days, you can still stay active with light activities like walking or yoga. Part 10. Can you build muscle as a beginner on a plant-based diet? Yes, you absolutely can. If you're just starting out, remember that the most important things are to stay consistent, eat enough, and push yourself during your workouts. Here's a quick checklist for you. Eat protein with every meal. Make sure you're getting enough calories. Balance your diet with carbs, fats, and other nutrients. Lift weights or do resistance exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Rest and recover. So can you build muscle on a plant-based diet? Yes, you can. It's all about getting the right foods, the right workouts, and enough rest. What are you waiting for? Try adding more plant-based foods to your meals and see how strong you can get. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy health tips. See you next time.